Good morning, Texans. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. And now we'll observe a moment of silent reflection. Reminder that yearbook distribution will take place from 12 to 7 up at the school on May 20th. At that same time, seniors will be able to return their Chromebooks. So senior Chromebooks are able to be returned on May 20th, and District Technology will be on hand on the west side of the building to help take care of that. So very important information there. Graduation honor cords continue to be sold online until May 19th. And the pickup of those is going to be on May 22nd, which is, I believe, 3 to 5. We'll get you more information, seniors, on the specifics of that, but continue to purchase those honor cords. The deadline is May 19th. Pickup and return of items. The yearbooks and then the senior Chromebooks we're taking care of on May the 20th. On May 22nd, we'll do a whole lot of senior items, things having to do with graduation, and then we'll also do student awards. So student awards will be available for pickup. So if you were recognized in our Night of Excellence on the 21st or our Senior Legacy Awards on the 22nd, we'll have those awards available for you to pick up on May 22nd as well. Those are all the announcements we have for you today. Texans, I love you. I miss you. I look forward to seeing you again, and I wish you a happy Tuesday.